In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore an old version of a design in Canva. If you've ever made edits to your Canva design and wished you could turn back time to a previous version, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and recover that perfect design version you loved. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your Canva design. Once you're on the desired design page, look for the File menu, which is typically located in the top left corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. Here, you'll find various options that help manage your design work. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with this menu if you haven't already, as it contains essential features for your design workflow. Now here's an important heads up. To restore an old version of your design, you'll need access to Canva Pro. Version history is a premium feature, so you'll need to ensure that you have a Canva Pro subscription. If you do, perfect, let's keep moving. Without this subscription, unfortunately, this step won't be available in your File menu. Assuming you do have Canva Pro, after clicking on File, look for Version History in the drop-down menu. Once you find it, give it a click. This feature is your portal to the past, showing you all the different saved versions of your design. Now, why is this useful? Well, imagine you've made several changes to your design, but you realize somewhere along the way you lost the original intent or aesthetic you started with. This tool allows you to compare these versions side by side and find the exact spot where you want to go back. Once you've clicked on version history, you'll see a sidebar on your screen that lists all the versions of your design, organized by date. This makes it super easy to locate exactly what you're looking for. Browse through these dates and carefully select the version you wish to restore by simply clicking on it. Take your time here to make sure it's the correct one. It's like having a time lapse of your design's evolution. After selecting the desired version, Canva might offer you a preview of it. Double check that this is indeed the version you want to revert to. If it looks good and it's exactly what you want, go ahead and confirm the restoration. This step will make your old version the current working version of your design. And there you have it. You've successfully restored a previous version of your design on Canva using the version history feature. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily manage your design's timeline and ensure that you always have access to the ideal version that suits your needs. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing with Canva.